car is because we are off to Brighton today. We're about 25 minutes away. I'm decked out in Sanrio because we have been invited to go to the new Artbox Cafe theme, which is My Melody and KUROMI. So we are on our way. We are really looking forward to checking it out, and also like having a mooch around, see what the new theme's like, the new like service is like, because they completely changed it. It's not even like sit down anymore. It's like grab your food and go kind of thing. We assume, and then have maybe a little bit of a mooch around Brighton, get some gachas, get some cute stuff, maybe in Minnesota. It's gonna be cute. We made it to the Artbox Cafe, and it's like new My Melody and KUROMI tea shop theme, and it literally looks gorgeous just from the outside. So cute. We got our food. I got a citrus slice thing, not quite sure, I just got it because it's Melody. And then Lucy got a KUROMI banana and blueberry, which is really cute. And we got bubble teas.
We got the bubble teas together.
Truthfully, we're just going to share everything because it just all looks so good.
It looks so yummy.
So cute. We got the coasters. The coasters are back as well as the placemats. So Lucy's got KUROMI and KUROMI. And I've got Melody and Melody. It's really sweet. So cute.
Because I'm gonna then start rolling this up before I.
Oh, you are so genius.
Just in case any like.
This is when we start dismantling everything. That's so good.
But I'm glad they've still got little toasties and that's good for like savoury options as well if you don't like sweet stuff.
I can't get enough of the bubble tea up my boba off my straw. This is what it looks like upstairs, and this is the best it has ever looked. So along here you've got like the backbench seating with all the tables, and just look how sweet the theming is. Like the giant cutlery is sending me. You've got the little corner window seating just there. Hello Kitty has turned into a lamp, which is great. This, I love this. I've always loved when they put like little character cutouts here. You got the vines, and the theming is just too good. So you got giant My Melody, a frame of Sanrio character photos, like framed ones, which just look gorgeous. Look at these two sweethearts. Like, oh my god, look at Baku where the My Melody is. Then you've got like the floral wall with My Melody and KUROMI, which is just too good, with this giant table here. It just looks so sweet. So everything's like the mint with the purple and the pink and the grey, which is just such a good colour combination. It looks so good. And then we've got giant KUROMI with her headdress like what me and Lucy are wearing, so that's just so perfect. And then you got our table, which has got like the little logo. Almost empty up here. It's like, it's never gonna look like this ever again.
Apart from me.
Apart from you. Thank you. I'm so obsessed with what they've done. They've really outdone themselves. Best theming ever. Thumbs up. Good job. Absolutely devoured. Done. Demolished. Gone. Whoa, super gone. Literally so empty up here. Like, could you imagine this on a normal day? Like, this is not gonna happen on a normal day, is it? Little outfit of the day. What's that like trend? It's like cute.
Oh my god, that is so cute.
Now I can't get up, I'm too old. I'm too old, you young people.
My knees, did you hear my knees crack when I got up?
Did you?
Bad knees.
We are playing Go Shop, i.e. Go Broke. It's just so cute. They got the tote bag, so obviously I'm getting every single one. And they've just got like loads of really sweet stuff. They got like figures, stickies. They've got like socks, and then I think they got keychains. Yeah, really cute. We ignore him. We just look at everyone else. Oh, she's so darling. Oh, I love it. I love the split as well with My Melody and KUROMI. What are you getting, Lucy?
I'm getting this.
That's so cute. It's all really cute.
I still really like this.
Whoa, I've never seen that before.
It's like a keychain. It's so cute.
Do you store your badges in it? Yeah. I think the front is a badge.
Oh, so you can put whatever badge in you want.
Oh,
god, that's cute. You can put Stray Kids in there if you wanted to.
That would be so good.
Just trying to think if I want to flash on what we like here.
I want the same mug. We got matching blind boxes. These are like little shaker keychains.
They're so cute.
Who do you want?
Honestly, I'm happy with all of them. Obviously,
That's
I'm
a
gonna do a
cop-out.
KUROMI. Or I really like the cinnamon roll one.
The cinnamon roll is cute. I want My Sweet Piano or Kokimion. My Sweet Piano. Right, we ready?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
It's like sellotape.
Yeah, it's literally says it's the top. Go on, nervous, because we did this last time where we both got matching my mellows.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just ripping it. Are we done with it?
Who did you get Kokimion? It's very cute.
I'm just ripping.
Yay!
Oh.
I'm so happy.
So cute. Stonky.
What did you get? What did you get?
We got matching.
We got matching Kokimion. How do we get the same one?
I don't know. We picked it from the same box.
Oh, girl, I'm happy with that though. Do you know what? Because I would have traded for you. If you had any of the others, I would have just given it to you.
Do you want to take your Kokimion for my Kokimion?
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. And they're like little shaky ones.
Yeah, they're really sweet. I can't believe that. So we got matching my melodies as well.
Of course, as per. So we've got the matching vibes.
They're so sweet.
So
Right, we are
cute.
off now. We're leaving.
We're leaving the cafe. It's very sad. I'm sad.
It's been so fun.
It has been so fun. Best time.
Making our way to Benton. Sanrio. One Piece. Oh, it looks cute.
Ooh.
Which one?
They've got
Just
Sanrio,
they're like gacha. Yeah.
That is so cute.
It is really cute, actually.
I like it.
Oh, it's changed around since I was last here.
Oh, strawberry friends.
Oh, they got My Sweet Piano.
That's so cute.
This was the one I done last time.
Got the hanging one.
Yeah, I got
Luckily
Bomba
you got
Ribbon.
Bomba
Oh, that's a good
I might have to
one.
get that one.
Oh, look at the little miniatures there.
So cute.
They're really sweet.
They are so cute.
But you don't really want the ones.
Oh,
Oh,
my face. Go, this as well. This has to be done.
to be fair, you wouldn't mind any of them.
I would not. I would love the melon one. The yellow
Yeah.
one's cute and the pink one. Yay! There's more green in this one, but I don't know. Oh, you can see which.
Oh, yeah, that one looks more varied. This one's got loads of purple.
See, that's the yellow one, I think.
Oh, hey. I don't mind
But I
yellow.
think there's one below that as well, so I'm not really sure. What did you get? Green! Slay! Should I do this one? Or should I do this one?
I can't tell. I can see a purple, but I don't think it's ready to drop yet.
Well, what colour do you want? Because I want the green one.
Any but purple, to be fair.
Okay.
But to be fair, I'd still take a purple. Like,
Because I like melon chocolate.
yeah, that's fine. You can have this one. You can have that
Right,
one.
which one shall I got? You choose then.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll take yellow.
Happy?
Softies.
Yay!
Softies. Cool.
Thank you.
Oh.
What did I get?
Oh. It looks like Hello Kitty. That's a good one.
That is very cute.
Oh,
yeah, dude! I'm so happy about that.
That is a good one.
Yeah, I'm happy because I wear a lot of pinky red. That's so cute! What did you get? Did you get my sweet piano?
I got Hello Kitty.
Yay! Both got Hello Kitty.
Oh, she's cute.
Oh, yeah! She's
cute.
very cute.
Yay!
Every second, every minute, when you're close to me, like a supposed to be, and we meant to want to do you.
Who's that? Was that
Yeah.
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah, she's just recently made her way back into my buy slide.
So who is it?
Momo, Nyan, Tui, Geo. Although I think Geo might be above Tui now.